Hey guys, welcome back to my video. So, as you can see, this is the makeup look. And it's really simple, quick, everyday type of makeup look. And I hope you guys enjoy. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And yes. I think that's everything. So the eyebrows are already done because I always see the other YouTubers do their eyebrow first. So we're gonna start off, since this is an everyday look, like my quick-ish go-to look. So since this is a quick video, quick makeup look, I'm not going to use primer. So I'm gonna go into my Morphe palette and I'm going to grab this peachy shade right here and a fluffy brush. What is this? BH Cosmetics V5 brush. Just dab it in there and just put that on my crease and on my lid. Just a base color. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with this orange color, same brush, and focus that on just the crease. Now we're going to grab this random old flat-ish, fluffy-ish brush. Now we're going to dab into this color. Dab it on your eyelid. And this is more pink than I expected. I'm going to put some gold on top of it, hopefully make it more brown. Now we're gonna go back with the blending brush and we're gonna blend the lid color with the crease, just so it's not that harsh line. You see the difference? Blended, not blended, big difference. That's pretty much it for the eye look. It's very simple, but it looks like something. Top it off. Top the eye look off. You gotta have some lashes. Some bomb lashes. You guys, these lashes are from Thai Luxury Lash. I'll put her info in the description bar. And so these lashes are the bomb. The website says this is for, I believe, 15 wears, but I've been wearing it way more than 15 times and it still looks bomb. So you tell me. So I'm gonna apply my lashes off camera.
2 hours later.
Okay, now I have my lashes on. Now we're gonna move on to the face. So again, we're not priming. I'm gonna get my NYX concealer pot, color correcting concealer in a pot. And so I'm gonna put that under my eye. Now we're gonna get our wet sponge. This is the Real Technique sponge. Why isn't this wet? I literally just went back. We live and we live. Oh, now I'm gonna take my LA Girl Pro Concealer in Fawn and just place it. Ooh, here's a tip. don't place it right here, directly under your eye. Put it right under your under eye, then blend up. I don't know, I saw that somewhere, I don't remember where. I remember, it was this one YouTuber, I don't remember her name. And I was watching a video on how to conceal dark circles, and that was a tip she gave. Now that that's blended, I'm gonna take this random makeup sponge and my Rimmel London Stay Matte powder. And I'm just gonna lightly bake and let it stay for 2 seconds and dust it right off. Now I'm gonna take my brush and I'm just gonna swirl my brush in my pot and just dust that all over my face. I don't really wear foundation, mainly just concealer for under my eye and powder just so everything could mix in together very well. Okay, now I'm gonna go into my black Radiance. What is it? Contour palette and my contour brush. And just dab a little something on there. Just a little something. Just a little something. Now we're done, kind of, with the face, the base of the face. We're gonna go back to the Morphe palette and go back into that orange shade with a smudger. I don't know what kind of brush this is, this brush. So yeah, I'm gonna smudge that right under my eye. After we place that under your eye, just take a random brush and just blend it out. Now we're going to put mascara on. This is a L'Oreal Telescopic mascara. Of course. Now we're gonna take this Morphe M23 brush and we're gonna dip it in, I guess, this color again, and put that in our inner corner. Let's see if this is dry. Alright, I think it's dry. Crap, it wasn't dried all the way. Ooh. Now we're going to highlight with the black Radiance contour palette. Just dab a little. Going to our Anastasia Beverly Hill Nicole. I don't even know how to say her name. So we're gonna go into Daydream. And then just tap it on because this thing is bright. We're gonna go into 143. It's kind of dried out throughout the video, so I'm just gonna add a little bit more Carmex. Gonna get my brown lip liner and line the outer corners of my lips. I'm gonna take my lighter brown lip liner. I'm gonna go in with my Fenty Beauty lip gloss, the OG lip gloss, the original lip gloss, lip balm, lip glass. What is this thing called? Gloss balm. So here's the makeup look. Very simple. And yeah, basically one of my everyday quick makeup look. Just a regular schmegular makeup look. Alright, thanks for watching. Tell me your thoughts in the comments below. And any more video ideas, just tell me. Make sure you follow me on Instagram and Snapchat. And yeah.